Today, I am going to draw a tennis racket. So, let's get started. Start by drawing an elongated oval shape. This will be the head of the racket where the strings are. Then draw a small triangular shape. Extend multiple lines from the bottom of the throat downward. These lines will form the handle of the racket. Connect the ends of these lines with a short, curved line to complete the handle. Draw a slightly smaller oval inside the first one, following the same shape. This will represent the frame of the racket head. Now, draw a circle for a ball. Then draw a curved line in it to add details in it. Inside the inner oval, next, draw a series of evenly spaced parallel lines from left to right. Draw a series of evenly spaced parallel lines from top to bottom, intersecting with the first set of lines to create a grid. Go over your drawing, refining the lines where necessary. Erase any unnecessary guidelines. It's time to bring Racket to life with some color. If you want, you can color your tennis racket. Typically, racket frames can be any color.